18-volt water pump. It's battery operated, and we are gardening this whole garden here. So we want to go ahead and finish filling up the barrel. I see the barrel has a leak. We lost some water, or somebody watered here. We gotta find out. Hopefully somebody already used it, right? And then we're gonna also put this other nozzle now to see what the pressure difference is. So I went ahead and hit the pump here. And now we're gonna replace this. Okay. Put the battery in a more visible area. And gonna power it on. It always starts in high. I'm gonna go to low. See what low looks like. All right. Pull this out. This is what low looks like. I just stepped on the gas low. So, go back down here. There you have it. I'm gonna put this spigot. I'm actually see what the pump does when you crimp the actual hose. So I'm gonna crimp this hose while it's running. So bear with me. So the pump seems undisturbed. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on. Let's see how far it could reach. Now I'm gonna go to medium. Let's see. You can feel the pressure for sure. Much. I mean, look at that. It's going all the way across. And you can see moving all those leaves over there. Now we're gonna go high. You can hear the ramp up. Sorry, yeah, I gave extra 4 feet maybe. So you hear the difference? Open, close. We're gonna leave it on. We're gonna leave it on medium. I'm gonna leave this. Bring up the barrel. It's right here. So we'll see. It's 5 minutes 49 seconds in this video. In the meantime, while that fills up, I'll let you know that that hose, I'm thinking, might be more than 100 feet. But I'm I'm checking. I'm gonna have to measure it. It might be 150. So it is really long. And there's a pump right there. It's a very shallow. You put it right where you would think it would get dirty, but it's just it knows how to pull the water and not the debris, or it can handle the debris to the degree. Very, very practical. Just let it run there. Again, a little water stream right there. Super cool. Hello, Revit. Welcome. Where are you from? Welcome. This is the garden. We are testing. Look how long this hose is. I mean, it's going. I'm gonna show you where the loop is. So there's double side hose right here, and it goes all the way to here. So it's a practical way to count. So it's like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 7, 30, 33, 36, 39, 40. So that's 80, 90. Yeah, it might be like 120 feet. It's definitely, or it could be 100, but I counted about 80 there, plus whatever's here, 90. Yeah, maybe it's 100 feet, but super practical. Right now on medium, we are already back to, let's see, actually we're right here. That's where I left it last time with the other battery. I'm gonna go turbo. Watch it go strong. The hose might come out of the barrel. Show you what I have. So that I have another hose, and then I have that hose literally like right there. Very practical, guys. If you need to get water, you can fill one of these barrels with one battery. I think it's very practical. We have individual plots here, and different neighbors have different plots. And we are gonna be planting on the bank as well. Some beautiful flowers and zinnias. I planted 12,000 zinnias at my house. So, but yeah, we have different types of edibles. Beautiful, beautiful community garden. Happy 4th of July to everyone watching. It is 2026. I don't think we'll have another year like this one. AI has changed everything. Probably have a robot do this. Anyways, this is looking really good. You can see the movement there. Good pressure. Sorry for the video, guys. Gonna get. It's pretty long. I can hit that tree if I stretch my hand. That little bush there. See the leaves moving? That's a lot of pressure. 18 volts, Ryobi. I may test the Milwaukee. They make one as well. Might be a little bit more premium. But check that out. Water brings life, here it is. And sometimes it's hard to move water, especially if you have to do it manually. This makes everything a lot more efficient, very convenient, practical. This is exciting. This is cool. All right, you guys see what's happening here. This battery is a 2 milliamp and it's strong. Look at all the pumpkin. It's a pumpkin patch. There it is. So it stopped. So I want to say filled up the same amount as the other battery, but without messing around. So I mean, that's a full barrel right there. So if you have a larger battery, you might be able to just fill that up. So that's pretty awesome. That is very awesome. This is very practical. It comes with a seal here, so the battery doesn't get wet. It also comes with this foot attachment, and then you can put something there so that it's elevated. It's supposed to be. You see how that's supposed to be like opening like that? Pretty cool. Has a rubber seal. And here, if I want to leave the hose here, I can just take this part off, and then show you the end now. A little foot came off. Let's make sure we get that. It's actually like a rubber piece, so it just any hose will fit. It goes. This again, it's not a threaded. It's actually the end of the hose just slides in there. It gets snug. I guess I'm pulling it against all this stuff, so it came off. But I'll show you how that works. So here's the end of the hose, regular hose spigot. So, that's it. So there you have it. Doesn't come off. Very strong. So see, it's pretty decent design. Very simplistic. And then you literally take your pump with you. You don't have to leave it here. This thing is so light. Anybody can carry this. Now you went from manual labor, water, gardening a whole area to now creating more sustainability. The water's coming right from our community creek, and it's feeding our own plants. So that's what it's all about, sustainability and practicality, technology combined. Most definitely great invention and perfect if you have water near you and you need to access it and move it around. Until next time, have a good one, everyone. Thank you for joining and watching. And we'll have some other sustainability ambassadors do more videos. That's what we represent, is sustainability, and it's a collective of us. And it's a worldwide move. It's not just in one place. It's really literally thousands of people around the world, millions potentially, doing more towards taking care of Mother Nature. That's where we got dropped off, and that's who we have to learn to listen to. She accepts everything to the soil and converts it. So be like soil, my friends. Many, many, many greetings, love and affection. Until next time, take care. Please like and subscribe. I'll appreciate that. You leave a comment and interact. That's actually one of the best things. So until next time.